Hey my friends, I'm sending you some love from the forest here. We have a beautiful life here. Truly like many birds and many different sounds and I often come here when I need some grounding time. Right? You know what I mean, when you need to ground your roots a little bit. You know, often our minds go like all over the place, and we need to ground them, right? If you feel like you're constantly daydreaming, you're constantly overthinking, you're constantly overanalyzing your life, and you're constantly complaining about something, and you start judging others and you start comparing yourself with others and all of that, you've lost yourself in mind wandering. And that's where our egos turn on and they start saying to us why we are not good enough, why we are not worthy of love, worthy of abundance and all of that. You know, abundance is you, that's who you are, but ego is saying, no, you're not that. You need to do that, this and that, so you can get abundance, so you can get love and all of that. So don't trust that ego-wise. You're already everything. You see nature around me, you're already all of that. Everything you see here, it's just a different form of expression of you. And if you close your eyes and you calm your mind down, you will feel one with all of that. You hear birds and you will say, oh, such a beautiful expression of life, right? And if you truly close your eyes and you just observe the sounds, not analyzing them, not judging them, you become aware of a beautiful composition of the expression of life. That's what is grounding us. So we ground our roots. We become aware that we are in this moment, present in our bodies. There is no, no bad things, no bad moments, no mistakes, no struggle, no challenges. We just are. And from that state of just being, we see our lives in a completely different way. That's what we're talking in most of our videos, right? At that state of just being, we start channeling different ideas, different information, and maybe some ancient wisdom which is coming to you, through you. So you would express it. So you would make something with it. Right? As in the previous video I've said to you, you experience a state of blissfulness, not for your entertainment, but for your self-expression. So you would do something, so you would generate it on the world, because many people have lost themselves, and that can be your participation in creation, so you can help people to get back into that state of blissfulness, right? So ground yourself, my friends. This is it, a short message for you. I hope you're having a beautiful day and that you're doing something creatively. Stay beautiful, my friends. Till next time, I'm sending you all lots of love, blessings and power. One love.